What's up everybody, welcome to another review video. Today I have something different. This one is a water bottle. A lot of people would ask me, Han, why are you reviewing a water bottle? This is a tech channel. This water bottle comes with some new invention. This one is a fan water bottle, a water bottle which comes with a fan. The name of this brand is Handfan. And this water bottle which comes with a fan costs $59.99 US, and these water bottles actually have a lot of interesting features. Some of the features are interesting, some of the features are newly invented, some of the features are health related. And yeah, those health related features are the most important ones, like this water bottle is built with materials which is BPA-free, bisphenol A. That's BPA, which is actually very harmful for our health. In most of the other water bottles, you will find BPA, but this one is BPA free. And these are actually made with Tritan. Safety is a key feature in Tritan. Tritan is actually a BPA free material which was used to manufacture these water bottles. And from the picture, you can see these water bottles comes with a fan on top of it. Well, let's do the unboxing and then we will check the specifications and then we will go through the review process. And yeah, definitely, I have been using one of these as my daily water bottle for last 5 days. I am super satisfied. I am amazed. That's why I am here to share my honest experience with you. I have kept one for this video. I'm gonna do the unboxing and we will start from the scratch and then we will check everything. But before we start this video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. This brand Handfan actually offers these water bottles in 2 colors. There is a black variant and a blue variant. Oh, wait. Let me tell you something clearly. This water bottle actually comes with 4 filters. Each filter can be used for 6 months. So 4 filter means you are safe for 2 years. This one is antibacterial. So definitely this one is more safe and secure. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Well, here is everything that we have got inside the box. There is a water bottle. This water bottle actually can carry 600 ml of water. This water bottle is built with BPA-free, environmental friendly and food grade Tritan material. Remember, Tritan material means this is totally safe. There is an extra cap offered inside the box. There is another cap. This cap is actually used with the fan. If you are gonna use the fan, then yeah, we can use the cap. But if you just wanna use the water bottle like a water carrier, like a water pot, then you can just cover it with this cap. Here comes the main part. This is the fan that will get attached on top of the water bottle. This fan has 3 different fan speed. And this fan actually comes with a brushless DC motor and there is a 2600 mAh battery included inside this pack. Once this battery is fully recharged, which actually takes about 4.5 hours to get fully recharged, this battery pack will offer juice for 14.5 hours. That means this fan will go on for 14.5 hours without interruption. We can check the battery status or battery level. There are 4 LED indicators like 25%, 50%, 75% and 100%. Also there is a on-off button. And it's clearly written that the whole product can be washed directly. That means this one is waterproof. If you are worried that as there is a very big 2600 mAh battery inside, is it very heavy? No, let me tell you clearly, this one isn't heavy. This one is very light. This one is feather light. I'm just holding it with my one finger, a single finger, and it's super light. Well, as I mentioned earlier, there is a filter. They have also provided 3 additional filters. That means inside the box we are gonna get 4 filters. It's very easy to change the filters. Well, the filter is actually connected to the straw, and this brand Handfan, they have also provided an extra straw for in case. It's really very easy to install the whole product. Just connect the straw and the filter to the fan body and then put it inside the water bottle. They have even provided a very good quality silicone hand grip. So yeah, we can carry it without any issue. Well, as we have already connected the straw and covered it with the fan, then how can we drink water? Tan-tan-an! Look at this. I really like this design. It's actually very safe, and as they have added a small grip, so we can just hold the small grip and bring out the straw and drink water. In this way, we are not gonna touch the straw with our dirty hand. I mean, when we are using this water bottle, if our hands are dirty. So it's really very safe and very innovative. Also, there is a lock mechanism. If the protective cap is locked, we cannot bring out the straw. Once it's open, we can bring out the straw. Well, let me mention clearly that they have also offered a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and there is a USB-C port which is well protected or well covered. While we are recharging the battery, I mean that 2600 mAh battery, this one actually has a lot of different protection like overcurrent protection, overcharging protection, and this is very safe, very convenient. This water bottle is also built with premium materials, so this is very sturdy, and the frame actually comes with drop protection. All the materials are high temperature resistant, so yeah, definitely we can enjoy hot beverages inside this. If you are worried about cleaning, then they have also added a cleaning tool to clean the straw and the bottle. I think only for this added touch, only for this cleaning tool, this brand Handfan deserves a thumbs up. For build quality, I will give 10 out of 10. For outlook and appearance, I will also give 10 out of 10, but for convenience, safety to life, and overall performance, I will give this one 100 out of 10. This actually adds a lot of convenience, and in some places when I really need a hand fan, and which is pretty awkward. I mean, anybody who needs a hand fan, and it's very difficult to carry a hand fan and a bottle. Let me show you another thing. This fan doesn't even make loud noise. So you can clearly see that even in full speed, this one doesn't go beyond 40 decibel. So yeah, this one is very quiet. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I have been using one of these. There are two different colors. One is blue one and another is a black one. I prefer the black one because I bring it to my workspace, my office, so yeah. But if you prefer something colorful, the blue one really looks very nice. I have already mentioned that we can use this one for 14.5 hours, I mean the fan, but that's in soft breeze mode. As there are 3 different speeds, if you use it in mid speed, then you will get 7.5 hours, and in high speed it will go for 4.5 hours. Also, when I have installed this water bottle, I have shown you there is a very good tiny little filter included inside, which actually offers a drinking filtration protection. Antibacterial efficiency of this water bottle is actually above 99%, which is actually more than any other bottles in its class and in its kind. Oh really, this one is one of in its kind. So among all the water bottles, 99% antibacterial efficiency is really great. Superb, that's top notch. Also, at the beginning I was a bit worried that carrying a fan along with me, how good is it? But as this fan comes with high density mesh on top, it's pretty safe, and yeah, there is no way, not even a toddler will be able to put his or her finger through this high density mesh. So this one is very safe. Yeah, that's all about these Handfan water bottles. But one more time, I need to mention that these water bottles are built with new generation copolyester material. So these are super safe and they have printed it. Health surpass. Yeah, this one is totally safe for our health and add convenience to our life. And finally, I believe that these are the water bottles that I have been looking for ages, for decades, and finally I have it. These are the best, period. That's the end of this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you want to watch more honest review videos, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I always share honest experience and honest opinion with my subscribers and regular viewers. Oh yeah, first I'm gonna use these two together. But wait. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one to wash these water bottles, I mean the straws. Kudos to Handfan for providing a washing tool.
Never break, always fight, never quit. do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change.